I've just come to Lidl and I'm going to get some ingredients to make something really nice and Christmassy. Grab a basket and let's get to it. First off, I'm going to grab yourself some grated cheese. Also, you're going to need some green pesto. Next, you're going to need some puff pastry, and I'm going to use 2 rolls of it. And finally, some cherry tomatoes, and I'm going to be cooking up a pesto and cheese Christmas tree. So let's get it home and cook it up. So I'm back home now, guys, and I'd just like to thank you first for liking and following our page, and even better if you share it out as well, guys. Now, like I said, I'm going to be making a lovely centerpiece for Christmas, or even if you like sitting watching the telly, you can pick on this. So we're going to start off with unraveling your puff pastries. Now I've got 2 of these, so as you can see, they're already out like so. Then, with your offcut, I've just made a little star. Looks like more like a starfish, but hey ho. If you've got a cookie cutter, then that'll be better. Now, we're going to get the pesto. Love pesto as well, and love the fact that this is green as well, because obviously this is going to be a Christmas tree, and we're going to spread that all over one of the puff pastries. So just do it like the shape of a Christmas tree to start with, because you'll see why after. So as you can see, I've made it look like a little bit of Christmas tree already, because we're not obviously going to be using these sides here. So get your cheese, any cheese that you like. I'm using this one, it's just easy to use. Grated all the way on, or you could use slices. Slices would work good as well. And guys, do not forget to pay cheese tax. Get all that on there like that. Bigger the better. Right, now we're going to get the top part here and put that over the top. Press it down, and you don't have to take the paper off the bottom one, because that is the paper that goes into the oven. Peel that off. Now you can do this either with a knife or a pair of scissors. I personally think scissors are easier. So you can kind of see where the tree was. So we're going to cut this out like a tree. Neaten that up like that. And then the other side as well. So basically a long triangle. Now you don't need to do anything to the top, because the top here has the star on. And pop the star on like that. As you can see, the bottom here, I'm just cutting this bit so that looks like the bottom of the tree. Cutting the sides like so. And it's already starting to look like a Christmas tree. Now, this is the bit where I'm going to use the knife. So make sure this here, down the centre, is left untouched. So pretend that that bit there, you do not go into it. So we're going to start off with doing cuts like so on either side. And as you can see, you get to the bottom and they are wider. And again on this side. And we're going to get each side like this, and it gets a bit messy obviously because of the pesto inside, and twist each one like so, and twist. So as you can see, I've transferred this to a baking tray and added an egg wash. This is now going to go into the oven at 180 for about 20 minutes. And guys, if you're liking what I'm doing, why not give me a like button? So I've just got that out of the oven with 5 minutes left to go. Cut your tomatoes up into half, pop them on, and get it back in for the last 5. And that is ready to get out. How good does that look? It looks fantastic. Does it taste as good as it looks though? Let's dig in. Like, obviously it's very hot, so I'm just going to get this bit out with my spatula. Oh, there we go. Right, let's try some. Oh, what's not to like? Oh, absolutely beautiful. Give it a try.